Most people believe that love is the strongest force in a man's life. They believe that if a man is loved enough, he will endure anything. That if a woman loves him deeply, he will stay, sacrifice, and survive. But this is a lie. Men do not break because love ends. Men break because deeper emotional needs go unmet. Needs that exist before love, beneath love, and often stronger than love itself. A man can be loved and still feel empty. He can be desired and still feel invisible. He can be in a relationship and still feel completely alone. And when these deeper needs are ignored, love slowly becomes irrelevant. Because love cannot replace what a man needs to feel whole. The first emotional need that is stronger than love is respect. A man can survive without affection longer than he can survive without respect. He can endure distance, silence, even coldness. But disrespect destroys him from the inside. Respect is not about praise. It is not about compliments or admiration. It is about being taken seriously. When a man feels that his words carry no weight, that his boundaries are ignored, that his decisions are questioned constantly, love becomes suffocating rather than comforting. A man does not need to be worshipped. He needs to feel that when he speaks, he is heard, that when he chooses, he is trusted, that when he leads, he is not undermined. The moment a man feels small in the eyes of the person he loves, something inside him shuts down. Not dramatically, not loudly, quietly. He stops sharing his thoughts. He stops expressing his fears. He stops investing emotionally. Because love without respect feels like humiliation disguised as intimacy. That is why many men leave relationships where they are loved, but constantly corrected, mocked, or dismissed. Not because they stopped loving, but because they stopped respecting themselves. The second emotional need stronger than love is peace. Men are not wired to chase constant emotional chaos. They may tolerate it for a while, especially when attraction is strong. But eventually, their nervous system rebels. A man needs peace the way his body needs sleep. Without it, he becomes irritable, distant, numb. Peace does not mean boredom. It means emotional safety. It means not walking on eggshells. It means not fearing that every conversation will turn into conflict. It means not feeling punished for silence or honesty. When a man comes home, physically or emotionally, he wants relief, not interrogation. He wants space to breathe, not pressure to perform emotionally at all times. A relationship that drains a man's energy will never feel like love to him, no matter how intense the passion once was. This is why men often retreat into work, solitude, or silence, not because they don't care, but because peace has become more valuable than emotional intensity. A man will choose a quiet life over a passionate storm if the storm costs him his inner stability. And when love becomes a source of stress rather than refuge, he will emotionally check out long before he physically leaves. The third emotional need, the one most people never talk about, is purpose. A man without purpose feels lost, even if he is loved. Love cannot replace direction. Affection cannot replace meaning. A man needs to feel that his life is moving somewhere, that his efforts matter, that he is building something bigger than himself. When a relationship demands that a man shrink his ambition, abandon his goals, or feel guilty for chasing his mission, love slowly turns into resentment. A man does not want to be completed by love. He wants to be supported by it. When he feels that his partner stands in the way of his growth rather than beside it, something fundamental breaks. Men fall into depression not because they lack love, but because they lack direction. And when a man feels purposeless, even the most loving relationship feels empty. That is why many men become emotionally distant during periods of failure or stagnation, not because they stopped caring, but because they are ashamed of who they are becoming. Love cannot save a man who has lost his sense of purpose. Only meaning can. Respect, peace, purpose. These are the pillars of a man's emotional world. Love sits on top of them, not the other way around. When these needs are met, love flourishes naturally. When they are ignored, love slowly suffocates, no matter how strong it once was. This is not cruelty. It is biology, psychology, and truth. A man does not want to be loved like a child. He wants to be respected like a man, supported in his mission, and given peace in his private world. Understand this, and you understand men. Ignore it, and love will never be enough. And here is the part no one prepares men for. Even when respect, peace, and direction exist, there is another silent battlefield inside every man. The battle between who he is allowed to be and who he is expected to be. Men are taught very early that love is conditional, that affection comes with expectations, that emotional expression is tolerated only when it is convenient. So men learn to compress themselves. They reduce their thoughts. They filter their emotions. They swallow reactions that would be natural if they were truly free. And over time, this internal suppression creates a fracture. A man begins to feel that he is only valued for what he provides, not for who he is. That his worth is measured in stability, strength, consistency, never vulnerability. This is why many men feel lonely even while being loved, because being loved for a role is not the same as being seen as a human being. A man does not need constant reassurance. He needs permission. Permission to exist without performance. When a man feels that he must always be strong, always calm, always reliable, love becomes another responsibility rather than a connection. And responsibilities, no matter how meaningful, eventually exhaust the soul. This is why men disappear emotionally. They don't vanish out of indifference. They vanish out of fatigue. Fatigue from being needed more than being understood. There is also a deep fear many men carry, but rarely name. The fear of becoming replaceable. Not replaceable in love, but in relevance. Men fear being unnecessary, being obsolete, being tolerated rather than chosen. When a man senses that his presence makes no difference, his emotional investment collapses. He may stay physically, he may fulfill his duties, but internally he withdraws, because no man wants to give his heart to a space where his absence would go unnoticed. Men do not crave attention, they crave impact. They want to feel that their presence changes something, that their words shape something, that their effort leaves a mark. Without that, love feels hollow. And then there is silence, the kind that builds inside a man over years. Men are not silent because they have nothing to say. They are silent because they have learned that speaking comes with consequences. Judgment, misinterpretation, weaponization of vulnerability. So they protect themselves by saying less. But silence has a cost. Unspoken thoughts become pressure. Unexpressed emotions become distance. And distance slowly becomes indifference. Not because the man stopped caring, but because caring became dangerous. A man wants to feel emotionally safe the same way he wants physical safety. Without it, intimacy feels like exposure without armor, and no man stays open in a place where he feels defenseless. Over time, men also begin to wrestle with identity. Who am I when I am not needed? Who am I when I am not admired? Who am I when I fail? Love often avoids these questions. It focuses on connection, closeness, feeling. But men live in consequence, outcome, result. When a man feels disconnected from his sense of self, love cannot anchor him. That is why some men self-sabotage good relationships, not because they dislike happiness, but because they feel unworthy of it. They leave before they are exposed. They detach before they disappoint. Because losing love feels less painful than being seen as inadequate. At the deepest level, men are not searching for romance. They are searching for alignment. Alignment between who they are, what they do, and how they are treated. When alignment exists, love becomes effortless. When it doesn't, love becomes another source of internal conflict, and no man can love fully while at war with himself. This is the truth most people never hear. Men don't walk away because they feel nothing. They walk away because they feel too much and have nowhere safe to put it. And until a man feels seen without being evaluated, accepted without being managed, and supported without being controlled. Love will never be the strongest force in his life.